Welcome to the DEX Volume Bot channel, your trusted source for cutting-edge blockchain tools and insights. Powered by Ranga Technologies, we empower you to maximize your crypto project's potential. In today's video, we'll show you how to leverage the Raydium AMM Volume Booster to increase liquidity and trading activity on Solana-based decentralized exchanges. Whether you're a developer or token owner, we'll cover everything from setup to optimization for better trading results. Let's dive in. The Raydium AMM Volume Booster is a powerful tool designed to enhance trading activity by automating buy and sell orders, improve liquidity for better price stability and market depth, simulate organic trading behavior to attract real users. This tool is perfect for boosting your token's presence on Solana DEXes like Raydium and creating an engaging trading environment. Now let's start with the setup process. Getting started is simple. Here's how you can set up the Raydium AMM Volume Booster. Download the bot from the official website and ensure you have the necessary dependencies installed, like the Solana CLI and a compatible wallet. Connect your wallet securely, such as Phantom or Solflare, to allow the bot access to manage your trades. Configure the bot's basic settings, including wallet connection and Raydium pool details. Once everything is connected, you're ready to configure the bot to suit your trading needs. Let's explore the key features of the Raydium AMM Volume Booster and how to configure them. Liquidity boosting. This feature adds liquidity to Raydium pools, improving market depth and reducing slippage for traders. Automated trading. The bot places continuous buy and sell orders, creating trading volume and simulating organic market activity. Real-time analytics. Monitor your trades, volume, and liquidity pool stats with the bot's analytics dashboard. Stay informed and adjust your strategy in real time. To get the best results, here are some optimization tips for the Raydium AMM Volume Booster. Trade frequency. Adjust trading intervals to maintain steady activity without overwhelming the pool. Slippage settings. Fine-tune slippage tolerance to minimize failed transactions. Token pair. Selection. Choose pairs with moderate activity to balance volume generation and fee costs. Liquidity balancing. Regularly monitor your added liquidity and adjust it to maintain optimal pool conditions. Using the Raydium AMM Volume Booster offers several key advantages. Enhanced visibility. Increased trading volume makes your token more attractive to traders and investors. Improved liquidity. By adding liquidity, you reduce slippage and improve trading efficiency. Automated operations. Save time by letting the bot handle repetitive trading tasks. Customizable strategies. Adapt the bot's settings to match your project's unique goals. These benefits make the Raydium AMM Volume Booster an essential tool for any Solana-based project. Before you get started, here are some potential challenges to keep in mind. Initial setup requires technical knowledge and funding. Overusing the bot may appear inorganic if not managed properly. Active monitoring is necessary to ensure optimal results. By understanding these challenges and carefully optimizing your strategy, you can make the most out of the Raydium AMM Volume Booster. Thank you for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Ready to transform your token's trading activity with the Raydium AMM Volume Booster? Contact us today for custom dApp solutions and expert support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more blockchain tools and guides. See you in the next video.